question, Shalom Kavah. Thank you very much for the Shiur question. Is it considered a vow to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, a thought that we have but didn't say out loud, since Hashem is the only one that knows our thoughts? Thank you, Rabbi.
No, only it's only regarding tzedakah. All other things, no. So if you can contemplate, should I do this, should I do that, and it's time for me to advance on next level and this and that. So no, it's not considered to be anything.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.